Oh, I didn't check for skata. I forgot to check for shit. Hi, Peewee. Nice and calm for change. Peewee's trying to kill me today. All of a sudden the gust came. I gotta keep them low. What happened? Oh no! Oh my God! What'd you do? The camera went flying. Where's the camera? I saw where it went. Wait, I saw it bounce this way. All right, look at your drone. See what's wrong with it. I'm going to look for the camera. It landed this way somewhere. Huh? Are you sure? I saw it go that way. Okay. How bad is it? I don't care about the drone right now. Here it is. Where? What else is missing? Look, you're missing the string things, whatever they are. The brown, those little round things, right? The black things again. James, Silver Lady took a very horrible beating, landed upside down on top of rocks, and it's destroyed right now. And she's looking for her parts. I don't know if she's wasting her time, but poor Silver Lady. See right over here? It's opened over here. She tested it again. It's not flying. Now the wind is picking up. I'm going to do one more flight, then we're going to leave. I gotta keep Peewee low. Yeah, the gust is coming out of nowhere. Before it was nice and calm. Stay low, Peewee. Uh-oh. See what's happening? The gust is pulling him up. He's so light. I gotta bring him down. Peewee, come on down. You're too high. Okay. Alright, I think we're gonna stop for the day. This is no good. Out of nowhere. What's that called? Crosswinds? It's coming in sideways. Peewee, come in for a landing. This is crazy. It's too windy right now.